Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal. This oil seal is color is black and it has part number. This part number is 80188 and the size is internal diameter is 78 and external diameter is 135. The sink there is 12 and there is 21.5. This oil seal there has with a spring. It has with many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature and with longer service life and more wear resistance. High temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water thickened spring and thickened skeleton. It applicable to heavy truck and we also keep improving the customer service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.